Health benefits of the Okinawa diet. The Okinawa diet has a number of health benefits, which are often attributed to its high antioxidant content and high-quality, nutritious foods. Longevity. The most notable benefit of the traditional Okinawa diet is its apparent impact on lifespan. Okinawa is home to more centenarians, or people who live to be at least 100 years old, than anywhere else in the world. Proponents of the mainstream version of the diet claim that it also promotes longevity, but no substantial research is available to validate these claims. Many factors influence longevity, including genetics and environment, but lifestyle choices also play a significant role. High levels of free radicals, or reactive particles that cause stress and cellular damage in your body, may accelerate aging. Research suggests that antioxidant-rich foods may help slow the aging process by protecting your cells from free radical damage and reducing inflammation. The traditional Okinawa diet is comprised primarily of plant-based foods that offer potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory capacities, which possibly promote a longer lifespan. The diet's low-calorie, low-protein, and high-carb foods may also promote longevity. Animal studies suggest that a calorie-restricted diet made up of more carbs and less protein tends to support a longer lifespan, compared to high-protein Western diets. More research is needed to better understand how the Okinawa diet may contribute to longevity in humans. Reduced risk of chronic diseases. Okinawans not only live long lives but also experience fewer chronic illnesses, such as heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. Diet likely plays a role, as Okinawan foods boast essential nutrients, fiber, and anti-inflammatory compounds while being low in calories, refined sugar, and saturated fats. In the traditional diet, most calories come from sweet potatoes. Some experts even claim that the sweet potato is one of the healthiest foods you can eat. Sweet potatoes provide a healthy dose of fiber and have a low glycemic index (GI), meaning that they don't contribute to sharp rises in blood sugar. They also offer essential nutrients like calcium, potassium, magnesium, and vitamins A and C. What's more, sweet potatoes, and other colorful vegetables frequently consumed on Okinawa contain powerful plant compounds called carotenoids. Carotenoids have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory benefits and may play a role in preventing heart disease and type 2 diabetes. The Okinawa diet also supplies relatively high levels of soy. Research suggests that particular soy-based foods are associated with a reduced risk of chronic illnesses like heart disease and certain types of cancer, including breast cancer.